I take care of
She
them.
takes care of old people.
I was gonna say I've been there too. I got that side.
Y'all seen it in her school. I love it. But now I can handle the old people. I just can't handle the young ones.
My theory is
Now,
there's
the
no
old
reason to be
people-
mean. Just gotta be firm.
The old people
sometimes.
she took care of was her grandparents. She moved in with them and took care of them.
Look, there goes Mom.
My daddy
There goes.
fell down a flight of stairs.
There it goes.
That's wonderful. Now they don't. Nowadays they just shut them off.
There it goes.
She's actually had people say they'll be on their deathbed and call them, so when the mother's on her deathbed, just call me when she's gone.
Oh, Lord.
I gotta get a shower before I come out.
Yeah. What is wrong with them?
Just call me when they're gone. All right.
I had that.
He slept on the hospital room floor and then brought him home to die too. And didn't leave his side. You know.
Yes. I'll tell my lady today. I said, you don't have to worry. That's it. I put myself take care of you.
I cleaned his house for 42 years. And lots of times, what people go, and then I would go into a different mode. Take care of them like a clean.
Helicopter.
I always tell my people as they start getting old, when you move into a nursing home, talk to me, make a plan. Make a plan, because tell your family that I can change what I do here. You know.
All right. Well, that was exactly.